If you have already created your YouTube channel but you don't know what to do next, this video is for you. In the previous video, we showed you how to create a YouTube channel step by step. Now the real question is, how do you grow it? Today, I'll show you exactly what to do after your channel is created, especially if you are a beginner in 2026. Why most new channels fail. Let me tell you the truth. Most new YouTube channels don't fail because of bad content. They fail because there is no plan. People upload 2 or 3 videos, they don't get views, and then they quit. YouTube does not work like that. Growth on YouTube takes time, and it rewards consistency, not perfection. If you understand this early, you are already ahead of most beginners. Step 1. Upload consistency. The first thing you need is consistency. You don't need expensive equipment. You don't need perfect editing. You need a simple upload schedule. For example, 1 long video per week and 3 to 5 shorts during the week. Even 1 long video every 10 days is fine, as long as you stay consistent. YouTube learns from your behavior. If you upload randomly, YouTube doesn't know who to recommend your content to. Consistency builds trust, not only with YouTube, but also with viewers. Step 2. Where do video ideas come from? Many beginners stop because they say, I don't know what video to make next. This is actually very simple. Start with one main topic. Then break it into small parts. For example, if your topic is YouTube growth, you can make videos about titles, thumbnails, shorts, mistakes, and monetization. One topic can give you 20 video ideas. Also, read comments. People will tell you exactly what they want to learn. Never copy big YouTubers word for word. Use them for inspiration, not duplication. Step 3. Short strategy. Shorts are very powerful in 2026. Shorts help YouTube discover your channel faster. You don't need to go viral, you just need to be consistent. 1 short per day is more than enough. Your shorts should teach 1 small thing, share 1 tip, or solve 1 problem. Shorts bring people to your channel. Long videos build trust. Use both together. Step 4. Building audience trust. Many people ask, do I need to show my face? The answer is no. You can grow with voice, screen recording, or animation. What matters is honesty and clarity. Speak simply, explain clearly, and don't try to act like a big YouTuber. People follow real humans, not perfect videos. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't delete videos just because they don't get views. Don't change your channel name every week. And don't wait for motivation. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Every video is a step forward, even if no one is watching yet. If you follow these steps, your channel will grow naturally. In the next videos, we will talk about how to write strong titles, how to design clickable thumbnails, and how to grow faster with shorts. This is a step-by-step course, so stay with us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.